check out these beautiful hand woven baskets. They're calling these ones like laundry baskets or hampers, but honestly, this personally wouldn't be big enough for me and my family as a laundry basket, but I absolutely love these because you can use them for so many different things. So these, as I already mentioned, hand woven. You've got these really great leather handles, and the thing that I love is the top right here, there's actually an iron piece, so it's not just going to collapse on you, which is really great. So these are really good for decoration, or let's say, you know, you have like your bathroom, you can roll up your towels really nice and have them sticking out up at the top. I think that's nice. These ones were sent for my review, and this is a 4-pack. You can also get like a 6, 8, I even saw like a 9-pack, and they have a bunch of different colors as well. There's like a ivory, there's even like a really cool like black and white one you can choose from. But yeah, I think they're a really great size. I like the bottom. It's really good, as I said, decoration. I think I'm going to be using these ones in my laundry room because I like being able to have everything nice and organized. And as again, you can just kind of grab these and go. But yeah, if you want to use them for laundry baskets, seriously, so many different uses for these. They're great.